today we're going to talk about creating a highlight and a shadow and a color palette. What you can see in the top right corner on the screen is a color palette that I have so far with my character. The center part of these are the base color. Okay. And now we'll write that down real quick so that as to help you. Okay, so this is the base color. The base color is just the main color of whatever the object is that we want to add to. Okay, and then this is the highlight. The highlight is what that object would look like if the light is directly hitting it. Okay. And then over here we have the shadow. Oops, I'm running out of room. I'm not going to have enough room. So this is the shadow. And the shadow is the area where the light is blocked. Okay. So for example, on this thigh, you can see that I have, oops, this is the base color. This right here is the shadow. And here I have the highlight. Oops, let me hope I spell this correctly. Okay. Now, what this does, and these and the highlights and the shadows that I've created are not as subtle as what you might see on some comic book art. Okay. But if you want a dramatic pop of color, those are helpful. So with the place that the highlight is, we would assume, and without having to draw the light source in there, that we would assume that the light source is coming from this direction. And you don't have to draw it in there. Actually, it's better not to. But light source. I'm gonna excuse the bad handwriting. Okay, so the light source could be the sun, but we're not drawing the sun in there. It could be a light bulb. I mean, if you look at my face, I've got the window open, so the light is hitting me here, but I also have my ring light. So you can see like the light hits here, it's going to be lighter, and then on the opposite end, it creates like a dramatic shadow. But messing with my face. So when you add this, I'm requiring that you have at least 3 value changes. Would be a value is the lightness or the darkness of a color. So we want to have 3 value changes. We have the base color, and we have a shadow, and we have a highlight. Okay. So with everything that we have in this design, whether it be the boots, the skin, the hair, the fire, you need to have a minimum of 3 values. Oops. 3 value changes.